Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we're going to be talking about NIO. Can it really hit $70 before NIO Day? And what I am expecting for NIO Day. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord server, link in the description below. We talk about everything dealing with the stock market during market open. We're super active, so if you need to ask me a question during market open, that's the best way to get in contact with me. I'm also offering a membership program, $10.99 a month. One of the links in the description below. I go live with them every single night before market open, and I break down the stocks they want me to do, kind of like I'm doing here. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check those links out. Anyways, guys, let's get right into the video. Let's talk about NIO, where I'm expecting it for NIO Day, and can it really still hit $70? Well, before we can say that it can hit $70, we gotta keep some things in mind. The first one is that NIO Day is at January 9th. Now, right now, NIO stock price is at $45.77, and today's date is 12/26 Saturday. So we still have, over a week to NIO Day. We still got a couple trading sessions in. In order for us to hit 70, it has to get to this mark up here, right here. It literally has to get to this mark up here. So it is kind of looking grim, but anything is possible. NIO could hit 70, but it would be very hard for it to do. Now, the question is, could it hit 70 after NIO Day, Now, that's looking a lot more possible, right? So, let's talk about some scenarios. Let's talk about what levels I'm watching and where I think NIO is going this week. So, the first level, guys, we need to look at is this resistance that I drew out intraday at 46.80. We held this area 4 times, and on Thursday, we actually broke underneath it. So, that's something you didn't want to see if you were bullish on NIO, at least in the short term. Now, the next strong support I have at NIO is 44.73. So we're really closely approaching that. Now, if we do pull back down to that on Monday, I expect a lot of buyers to show up just because they have several times and they held this level strong. Now, we do have a lot of things going for NIO, as I mentioned. We have NIO Day coming up January 9th. So we have almost 2 weeks now for NIO Day. So we still do have some trading time for it to hit $70. But I think what's likely going to happen is it's going to hit $70 after NIO Day, but I do expect a good run up, and then we'll talk about levels that we need to watch out and where it could possibly go right before NIO Day. So like I said, the first level we need to get above is this intraday resistance at 46.72.73, around that area. And once we get above that, the next area I'm watching is this pink line at 48.31. Notice how that buyer tried to push it up 2 times over here, but he got rejected, so we know that if we do push up, we need to get above this level. And then the next line after that I'm looking at is 49.37. So before, we've got rejected here several times. Over here as well is acted as a support. So if we're bullish, we need to get above 49.37, and we need to make sure that we actually hold above it. Now, once we get above that level, we're pretty much crystal clear until 52.77. Notice how here it acted as a support. So over here, it's going to act as a resistance. So we're going to be testing it from the underside. So if we do get above it, that means that we need to get above it, and we need to test it from the upside, just like we did over here, to confirm this bullish momentum. Now we do, like I said, NIO Day is January 9th. So let's chart out what I think NIO is going to do. So if we're bullish on NIO, we obviously, if we get a pullback down to here, guys, we for sure need this level to hold at 44.73. If we break below it, then that's when I would start to question, are we heading back down to 38.14 at this support level? So we really need to hold this level. So on Monday, it could gap up and we never actually see 44.73. Or on Monday, we gap down and then we find buyers at 44.73. So that's 2 ways that can go on Monday. So let's do both scenarios. So let's say that we gap down and we find support here. So we need to bounce up. And the first level, as I talked about, is this 46.73 area, right? We need to make sure that we pass through that, maybe confirm it from the upside as support, and then get up to the pink line. Now this pink line is going to give us some trouble, so we need to pass through that ultimately. Then the blue line is the next resistance. We need to confirm the pink line from the top and then just keep going. So guys, this doesn't have to happen picture perfect. Like I said, we could literally blast through both of these resistances in one go like we did here. Notice that this red candle, it literally fell down through both levels. We didn't even stop for either one. So we could do that from the green side as well. We could just blast through all in one candle, right? This is just how it would look picture perfect. But like I said, what we need to do is we need to get above these 2 levels if we do confirm support right here. Now, once we get up this level, like I said, this is another resistance level. Maybe we come back down to retest this 49.37 area from the upside, and then we just take off. So guys, This is how I would see NIO if it was bullish going into NIO day. And then maybe we get another retest and then we just take off. Now, 70 might be a stretch, but we possibly could see $60. So there's a possibility that if NIO really starts getting it in gear and we start this strong uptrend, that NIO could see $60 and really pass all-time highs. So once we get above 52.77, the only resistance level is right here at this all-time high level at around 56.95. Notice that a bunch of sellers came here, but buyers came support right here. That's why I said that this level was important. So the only level that we look at after that level is this level at around $57. So we could hit all-time highs on NIO before NIO day if we get above that level. I am bullish going into NIO day. They're releasing their new sedan. Their first sedan that's going to have direct competition with Tesla in China. So this is going to increase more sales. They're going to have a lot more revenue coming in from new customers, as well as the news that they said that they are increasing their charging stations by 100 in 2021. So NIO has a lot of exciting things coming for it in 2021. This is only the beginning, and I think this NIO day is going to showcase what they are going to be capable of in 2021. And I'm really excited for this, guys, and I hope you are as well. But this was just my analysis on what NIO could do for before NIO day or on NIO day. Keep in mind that it could still go to $70. Anything's possible, but this is just my breakdown. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and like, and I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the